Question 12. Fx, given fx is this, find f inverse x. Okay, let's find. So the first step to find f inverse is always letting f inverse equal to y. Then the second step is fy equals to x. Okay, so if f inverse x, we bring there, here will become fy lah. So fy equals to x. So if fx is this, fy would be ay plus b, cy plus d. Okay, you just have to sub the x with y. Okay, so ay plus b over cy plus d equals to x. Okay, now got so many alphabets here, but we need to make y the subject, because if you find y, you will get f inverse x, which is what we want to find lah. Okay, so let's try to make y the subject. So this one you bring there, you cross multiply, we get cy plus d. So we expand cyx plus dx. Okay, and then you try to bring whichever got y, you try to bring to one side. So ay minus cyx equals to dx minus b. Okay, then from here we try to factor out the y. So y a minus cx equals to dx minus b. Then making y the subject, we get a minus cx. Okay, this is our inverse function. Right, let's try to rearrange a bit. So we put x in front lah. So negative cx plus a. So this can be written as f inverse x. Right. So now that we've got the f inverse, they said using the formula f inverse, determine f inverse for the following functions. Okay, we erase this one all first. Delete. Okay, we only need this. Right, let's look at a 1. So if fx is x plus 8 over x minus 5, f inverse will be what? Okay, so here we can compare with this one, with this function. So here our a is 1, our b is 8, our c is also 1, and our d is 5. This is d. So when you inverse it, you can see it has been rearranged. So d goes here, b goes here, a goes here, and c goes here. So if you just place them in the order, then you get your answer lah. So our d is 5, so this one is 5x, b is 8, so you write 8 here, then c is 1, so negative x, plus a is 1 as well, so plus 1. So this is our answer for 1. Okay, and then let's look at number 2. So number 2, this is our a, this is our b. Actually b is negative 3 lah. Oh, let's check again. Oh yeah lah, just now our d is supposed to be negative 5, so we put negative 5 here. This is our b, our c is 1, and our d is 4. So if you want to find the f inverse, will be dx minus b. So d is 4x minus b. b is negative 3 lah, so minus negative 3, and then negative cx plus a. So our c is 1, so negative 1x plus a is 2. Then we rearrange this, so we expand and simplify. you can write this as 2 minus x or negative x plus 2 lah. Okay, and then don't forget to write the condition. So here x cannot be 2, because if x is 2, the denominator becomes 0, undefined. Here also same thing, you write the condition x cannot be 1, because if x is 1, then negative 1 plus 1 will be 0 lah. Okay, right. Next, if c cannot be 0, what are the conditions on a, b, c and d so that f is f inverse x? Question B. If C is not 0, what are the conditions on A, B, C and D so that F is F inverse? Okay, so our Fx is Ax plus B over Cx plus D. And our F inverse x is dx minus B over negative Cx plus A. So if F equals to F inverse x, that means Ax plus B over Cx plus D must equal to dx minus B over negative Cx plus A. Okay, so here if we want to compare, if you see Ax plus B, here we have dx minus B, very difficult to compare. So what we can do is, even the denominator is also very hard to compare. So we can try to make something similar. So what we can do is, we multiply negative 1 top and bottom. So we get negative dx plus b over cx minus a. Ax plus b, cx plus d. Now we can compare, because cx is cx plus b is plus b. Therefore, negative dx will be equal to ax. So we can say a must be equal to negative d. And this will apply bottom as well. So d is negative a, therefore a will be negative d. So this is the only condition needed to make f and f inverse same. So if let's say a is 5, d must be negative 5. If this is the condition, that means f and f inverse will be the same lah. Okay, so yeah, that's it.